Alright, I've got a good operating Cub Cadet RZT-S. The S stands for steering wheel. Even though it's a zero turn, it's got what they call the four-wheel steer system with cruise control on it. This does have the heavy-duty front casters and wide stance with the big arms on it here. They are set up with Zerk fittings to be greased. 50-inch deck on this. Give you a little walk around on here. This mower has 800 hours on it. Still runs great, operates great. No smoke or anything like that. 24 horsepower Kohler motor. The little clips that hold this little air cleaner cover is missing, and that's why this is just a little piece of inner tube with a couple screws. You can lift that up and pop that cover right off of there. Missing the grass chute, and we can see there are some cracks on the seat, but it's still holding together and doesn't affect its operation at all. You can order either of those online if it's something that really bothers you. Let me jump on here and show you how it operates. Okay, e-brake is right here. You push it in and then push this down right here to lock it, and then to release it you just press it to release it. It's got to be on to be able to start it. This foot pedal right here works forward and back. You lean backwards to go backwards, lean forward to go forward. Let's start it up. Choke is forward on this. Height adjustment is right here, just like on the normal Cub Cadet zero turn. Should be low enough to show our cut really well. Blade engagement is right here. Nice high blade tip speed on this mower. It's not shaking or vibrating or doing anything it shouldn't be doing down there on the deck. E-brake right here, you're just going to tap that. That releases it. And then drive with this one. Yes, it does turn on a dime, just like a normal zero turn. It's got good ground speed, a little faster than an average homeowner zero turn, not as fast as a commercial. This thing. Nice clean cut, as you can see here. There's the blades on. Now raise that deck back up. Add it down. This thing is ready to go, and like I said, that e-brake, you just push that in and then push this down, and that locks it in place.